Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video, guys. So in this video, I will show you how to change the language, the default language of your Microsoft Office to any language you want. So as you can see here, guys, the interface language of my Office is in French, and I want to change it to English. So in order to do this, all you need to do is go over File. I will pronounce all the button that I will click on in English, so in order for you to understand and go ahead. So go to File and then go to Options, and here, guys, you will find Language. So click on Language, and here there is two types of language. Here you can set up the language of your typing and the correctors language, and here is the language for the interface. So if you find your language of the interface here, just click on it and then click on Set as Default Language. If you don't find it here, just stay with me in this video and we will need to download this language pack in this website here of Microsoft. I will put the link in the description of this video, and here just scroll down a little bit and you will find Office 2010 and 2013. So this is the Office that I have, so let's click on it, and here choose your language. So if you have any other version, just click on it and do the same thing that I did. So choose the language that you want, and here download the pack that it is convenient with your system type. To know which one is for your system type, just go over this PC and right click and then click on Property, and here, as you can see, my system type is 64-bit. So let's download this. Click on Start. So as you can see, it's about 250 megabyte. That's why it's taking time. So now everything is done. Let's run our language pack. Click yes. So here we have three types: Microsoft Visio, Microsoft Project, and Microsoft Office. So let's continue and accept the agreement, then continue, then again install. Now installing Microsoft Office language pack. So here, as you can see, guys, the language pack is installed successfully, and now let's just close this installation box, and all you need to do is make sure that you close your Office, Word, or any Microsoft software, and then reopen it again. If your language still didn't change, just go to File and then go to Option and then go over language, and here, as you can see, here is English now is available. So just check out English, click on English and click set as default. It's already the default language right now on my Office. So thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to give me a like and a comment if you want. Thank you guys.